Good day! Welcome back to Aunty Dann's kitchen. Today Aunty will be showing you grilled chicken with homemade Yorkshire pudding and gravy. Come, let's join Aunty! Friends, I have 3 chicken thighs here already deboned, and I'm gonna marinate these 3 chicken thigh with 8 cloves of garlic, 2 shallot and a little bit of ginger, and also 1 tablespoon of black peppercorn. All of these ingredients I'm gonna pound later on. And besides that, I have I'm gonna use light soya sauce a bit, and then also oyster sauce, as well as salt and a little bit of Ajinomoto. So these are the ingredients I'm gonna use to marinate this. Okay, I'm gonna pound the black peppercorn. Followed by garlic. And shallot, followed by shallot. Okay, time to marinate. Okay, the black peppercorn they already pounded. And also the shallot pounded, garlic and ginger. Okay, oyster sauce. It's about 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. And this is light sauce. About 2 tablespoons. Alright. A little bit of salt, about half teaspoon, and then a little bit of Ajinomoto. Auntie style, I like to put a bit of this sesame oil for the aroma. Okay, 1 tablespoon, that's it. So we mix it. Alright, after this we put it to rest for about half an hour. Then I will proceed with the grill. Alright friends, we are making Yorkshire pudding, and this Yorkshire pudding is according to my daughter's twist of recipe. Okay, let's go. We have 225 grams of flour, and then we have 4 large eggs, 5 ounces of water, and 5 ounces of milk, half tablespoon of salt, and the twist are the mixed herbs with black pepper and 2 cloves of garlic. If you like to follow this recipe, you just go on with the full ingredients. Otherwise, you can just do your own original recipe without these mixed herbs. In order to make this pudding, we have to preheat the oven at 210 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. With the oil in the cup tray, each cup tray you have to fill with 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Okay, and this batter will produce about 12 cups of this pudding. These are the steps. While we are preparing for the batter, we have to preheat this oil first in the oven for about 20 minutes with 210 degrees Celsius. Alright, while waiting for the oil to be heat up, we're preparing for the batter. And now add in the salt to the 4 egg and beat it together. You just follow her step closely, you will not miss it. Alright, then we add in the flour. Mix it well. Then we add in the water, 5 ounces of water. We add as well as milk, bit by bit, and then we beat it. Okay, continue to add some more, followed by milk. Okay, add some more water, and again followed by milk, and continue to beat. Okay, all in together, water and milk. Okay, done like that part. And also black pepper as well as garlic and some herbs all mixed together. Nice smell. Okay, the reason why the water and milk mix it bit by bit so that the batter will not get clumpy. And also this one we will let it rest while waiting for the oven to heat up the oil, and follow us with the following step. Okay, make sure to pour in the batter into a small jug so that easy for you to pour into the container later on. Now the oil has been heated along with the oven, and now we want to pour in the batter. As you can hear the sizzling sound of the oil. Mix with the batter. Okay, we pour it halfway, and now it's time to bake for 210 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Alright, we start baking for 30 minutes at 210 degrees Celsius. Stay tuned, guys. So this is how it looks like halfway through the baking. It should puff up like this, Beautiful. Okay, stay tuned, guys. It's cooked already. Okay, it's time to make the gravy. This one is 26 ounce of water with 1 cube of chicken stock as well as 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. And we have 40 grams of flour as well as butter. We have 50 grams of butter and 5 cloves of garlic as well as black pepper. And also salt and Ajinomoto to taste. Okay, we melt the butter. Once it's melted, then we add in the flour. Okay, we add in the flour. Gradually add in. Okay. All right. Stir it until it's golden brown. Okay, we gradually add in the water. The water they already mixed with the chicken cubes and the oyster sauce. Okay, continue stirring. Gradually we add in so that the flour will not get clumpy. Okay, that's good. It's very smooth already. Alright, okay. Continue stir until it's well incorporated. Okay, we add in the garlic. Okay, some black pepper. A little bit of salt to taste. Okay. About half teaspoon. Huh? And a little bit of Ajinomoto. Okay, that's it. So these are the gravy that we prepare to go along with the pudding and the grilled chicken later on. Okay, if you want it runny like this, then you just let it be. Otherwise, you will have to add more flour if you want it to more thicker in sauce. And if you want the color to be a bit darker, you might as well can add a little bit of soy sauce. Okay, it's done. All right, we start to grill the chicken, huh? The chicken thigh. Right. The skin side down. Okay. I grease the pan with a little bit of cooking oil before I put in the chicken. Cover it. Okay. We turn the meat. Okay. Ah, beautiful. Oh, beautiful. All right. Then we slowly cook again. Slowly grill it. All right. This is how it's been grilled. Okay. All right. done. Alright friends, this is the ending of Auntie's cooking. Grilled chicken with Yorkshire pudding and gravy. Anyway, thanks for watching. Do subscribe, like, comment and share. Bye bye. See you in the next video. May God bless all.